Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look more at colors. So a bunch of videos ago I showed you guys red, green, blue. So I'll go ahead and put that up right here. But excuse me. So that was how to look up. Well, let's say you're going through things and you don't have time to look them up. Well, guess what? This is another awesome example of somebody already doing all the work for us. So, all right, let's just bring this in. So if you're new here, this is what we do. One topic at a time. We chop this up and we move through it. So, all right. So colors, if I can spell. All right, so let's just check this out. Let's do dir first on colors. I got base colors, and the one that we're really going to start working with very soon is C colors. And of course, me thinking about my alphabet, I can't look at it, but I just want to show you. This is phenomenal. Here we go. Boom. Okay. So here is absolutely everything. We're going to have a table of a ton of colors, and it's going to be an hex, and then we're going to go through and we're going to do RGB and RGBA, and we're just going to start looking at it. But this is just another example of somebody doing the work for you, and all you have to do is go and grab it and implement it. But I was looking that we hadn't done much with Matplotlib, and I was going through notes again, like I do, of what I stumbled on or was absolutely annoyed by, and I hated that there was no easy way to do colors until I found that there was. So I just wanted to show this to you really quickly today, and we're going to start digging into this very soon. And it is just a wonderful tool that the Python community has built for us. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I don't want you missing out on any of these awesome videos that make your life easier. So as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.